Hi everyone, Marjorie here. The following video is going to give you a little tutorial on how to access your profit and loss statement, your profit plan, and your quarterly tax estimates on the new ATBS Hub.
All right, so I am on the main page of the ATBS Hub, and today I'm going to show you how to access your profit and loss statement as well as your profit plan and your quarterly tax estimates. So in the upper left-hand corner of the main screen, there are going to be three bars. That's where you would click to pull up this drop-down menu. To get to your documents, your profit and loss and profit plan, you would click the little arrow by financial performance. So let's go ahead then and click profit and loss. And here you can see we have a bar graph view, which is in the upper right-hand corner, the little yellow boxes there. You can also do this in a report view. So if you click the three bars over here with the bullet points in the upper right-hand corner, now you can see it's in report criteria, and we can see miles, revenue, expenses, profit. But let's just go back real quick to the bar graph looking report. So if you see year, I'm going to go ahead and click that. I have options. I could choose 21, 22, or 23. And then for period, it's right now listed on year to date, but you could also select a specific month. So for now, I'll leave it on year to date. In this graph listing the miles, I found that if you click on the little bars themselves, you can get specific figures. So that's really neat. And then down here in the revenue, the same thing. If I click on each bar, it'll tell me specifically. But then also if you click report view, it kind of lists it out that way. What's really neat is you can, how did they get these figures? Here, if I click miles dash loaded, you can see it says 113,000. I'll go ahead and click that. And there it's seeing where it pulled this information from. You can see the date, the source was the mobile app. Details, I can hit view document transactions and drill down, and it's actually going to show where they got that from, and voila, there's the actual settlement sheet that I had uploaded, and it's got everything listed here. So you can see my fuel surcharge. It's got it all very neatly listed, including the original document that information was drawn from. So I'm going to hit the back button. So like I said, you can also, click a specific month. I'm going to pick, I don't know, let's just go with June. And I'll hit apply. And there it pulled up June. So you can see that there. It's got the total listed. But it's really neat because you can really drill down and see, exactly where everything came from. So that's pretty neat. I'm going to go ahead and go back to June and go into the graph view. Let's hit apply. And here you can see it listed this way. You can click, like I'm going to go ahead and click in revenue. I'm going to click the accessorial right here, and it gives you the exact figure, which again, if you don't prefer the graph view, you can click the report view, which is the three lines in the upper right-hand corner, and it tells you that information like in a different way. But it's really neat. So it just depends on, what view you prefer. So again, there's profit plan listed below. You can click that if you want to see your profit plan. And here, if I click the drop down area next to tax, I can see the quarterly tax estimates, your tax returns, and there's even a link to make an IRS payment, which is really convenient. So I'm going to go ahead and click the quarterly tax estimates. And then you can select what year and what quarter, and then it'll pull up your tax estimate. So for my own privacy, I'm going to go ahead and not do that at the moment.
So there you have it. I hope that helps you with navigating the ATBS Hub a little bit. And as always, if you have any questions, always reach out to your ATBS consultant. Cheers.